This video is sponsored by Rhino Shield. Rhino Shield is one of the finest brands making some outstanding quality of smartphone covers. The most important thing is the durability, as these cases are hard to break and not just small drops but even heavy impacts will not damage your smartphone with these cases. Plus, they look quite cool and luxury. Also, you can personalize the case as you like. You can even engrave your name on the case just like this. Rhino Shield makes cases for most of the popular smartphones. You can visit their website to see more information. You will get 10% discount if you buy from my referral links which are given below. So all the details are given in the description below. You can check it out. Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'll be showing you some cool hidden tips and tricks for iOS 14. Now this is iOS 14 beta 1 version and I've been using it for quite a while now, and I have noticed some amazing features Apple has included in iOS 14. In fact, this iOS version is a complete redesigned version of iOS which we are used to. Some of the features are really cool and fun to use, especially the widgets and incoming call banners, and there are so many other fun features which Apple has added. If it's your first time in my channel, kindly subscribe and do hit the bell icon to see all my future tech videos, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you like this video. So let's start the video. So the first one is shape recognition. When you go in notes and you draw an arrow and keep holding it, you will get a ready arrow mark. Not only arrow, even if you draw a circle and keep holding it, you'll get a clear circle mark. Same goes for square, keep holding it. And it's not just in notes. When you take a screenshot, you can still do the same. You can draw a circle and keep holding it. You can draw an arrow, or you can draw a square mark. So the shape recognition is a new feature added by Apple in iOS 14. Another cool feature is picture-in-picture, but when you're playing YouTube videos, unfortunately, when you come out of it, you don't get this option. But there is a small way out. If you want to watch YouTube videos in picture-in-picture mode, you can go to Safari and type youtube.com. Now here you can type any video, for example, this one. So when you're watching any YouTube video in a Safari browser, you can use picture-in-picture mode and come out of Safari, and the YouTube video will still be playing. You can keep it on the side. So if you're watching a music video, you can still hear the song from the lock screen itself. And swiping it to the right, you can again go back to the video. Also, you can increase and decrease the size of the video. Now another cool tip is widget on widget. Apple is giving you one stack widget which is really cool. You can choose all your favorite widget into one widget and keep scrolling just like a morning briefing. But there is also an option you can choose widget on widgets. So for example, if you want to just club your podcast with your weather information, you can just keep holding any one of them, click on edit home screen and just club both of them together. So when you scroll down, you will have your podcast and your weather widgets together. In the same way, you can add any other widget together. Now another small addition in settings, when you go to settings, for example, you're in accessibility, go to touch. When you like to go back, usually you swipe to the back like this, but you don't have to do that. You can just click and hold to the accessibility and it will give you two options. You can directly go to the main setting by clicking over here. And this is applicable to anywhere in the setting, for example, software update. Again, when you press and hold general, you can directly go to the settings. I think it's a small but useful addition by Apple. Now another tip is about the photo gallery. When you go to photo gallery, now you have an option to zoom it even further than what you used to do in iOS 13. You can see how much I can zoom in now. And this is the actual picture. So you get to zoom in even further than what you can do in iOS 13. There is one more cool feature Apple has added in the accessibility settings. So when you go to settings, when you go to accessibility, you have a new option, sound recognition. When you enable this option, you have all these options to choose from. For example, fire, cat, dog, car horn, any appliances, doorbell, door knock, baby crying or shouting. So whenever the smartphone will detect any sound like this, it will give you a notification. Now back tap is an option. I think a lot of videos are already made on this and definitely is one of the coolest features in iOS 14. So when you go to the setting, go to accessibility, go to touch, there's an option of back tap. So you can choose anything. For example, double tap, you can choose all these options: zoom, magnify, spotlight. lock screen, control center, for example, control center for double tap and triple tap for screenshot, reachability. So many options are there. You can choose anything. So when you double tap, you will have the control center. And when you triple tap, you will have the screenshot. There are tons of cool features in iOS 14 and definitely I'll be making more videos on that. Now Apple has just released a beta 1 version and I'm sure with the new beta version Apple will be adding some more cool features which I'll be covering in my channel. So stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace and blessings.
I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.